Hi everyone. A couple of questions for people offering online beauty care products. How do you generate more sales? How do you generate more revenue? And how do you get more relevant traffic to your website? So today we're going to talk about challenges being faced by people offering skincare products or beauty products online. Before moving any forward, let us discuss some stats about global personal care product industry. The revenue of the global personal care industry is forecasted to continuously increase by almost 140%, and the revenue is estimated to amount to almost $356 billion in 2027. The value of natural and organic skincare product market in 2021 was $10.8 billion and is expected to reach $20.4 billion in 2030. It's a huge market and it is supposed to continue to grow at around 9% annually. Now let's come to the point as to how you can increase your sales and how you can up your revenue if you're offering online skincare products. To do that, you need to have a very robust marketing strategy, and for that you need to have a very good digital marketing agency working for you. The questions you need to put to them before getting them on board are: what is going to be the cost per conversions, how many conversions are going to happen over a period of time, and what is going to be your ROI. To answer these questions, we did a case study for one of our clients a couple of weeks back, and here it is for you to review.
Hello once again. So as already conveyed, we are today going to talk about a beauty and makeup brand and how through Google AdWords and setting up and optimizing the campaigns, we were able to deliver results in terms of sales of $250,000 per month in a span of 6 to 9 months itself.
Hope you liked the information shared in this video, and in case you have any questions or queries, or you have a similar business and wish to enhance your ROI, feel free to get in touch with us through our website. Thank you.